In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily permanently delete your Gmail account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to install Gmail app on our device. On an iPhone, we need to head over to the App Store. On an Android, you need to open up Play Store. Then search for Gmail, and after that you can easily download and install the app on your device. Once the app is installed, tap at the app's icon to open it up. Then tap right here at your profile picture. It will show you all of your Gmail accounts you are currently signed in, and the key here that you need to switch to the account you would like to delete. If this account is not the account you want to delete, select the account from that list and then tap on it to switch to account that you would like to delete. Once it is done, tap right here where it says Manage your Google account. After that, you will be taken to that page where you need to tap Add Data and Privacy here. And then, once the page is loaded, scroll down almost to the very bottom where you can easily find Delete your Google account. You need to get into it. On the next step, you will be asked to enter your current Google account password. Just enter it in that field and then hit Add Next. On the next step, it will show you all the services that will be removed with your Gmail account. In my case, it shows me that I have 7 blogs on Blogger. I have over 300 files at Google Drive. I have over 25,000 conversations on my Gmail, and also I have over 6,000 photos and some YouTube channels and a bunch of different other types of data that will be permanently removed with my Gmail account. If you agree with that and you would like to continue, scroll down, and that's where we need to check mark these two checkboxes. Keep in mind that it will permanently delete this Google account, including all its data. If you want to continue, hit Add Delete Account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. Keep in mind that once you tap at this button, you won't be able to recover any data from your Google account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.